Hey, how's it going? This is Eric Parker with One Number, and I wanted to talk to you for a minute about the opportunity to subcontract Tableau training to us and why you might want to do that. So, if you work for a professional services or consulting firm, and either you currently offer Tableau training or you're thinking about offering it to your clients, you might be thinking about how do you go about doing that, right? Do you train somebody internally to become a Tableau trainer? Do you hire somebody from the outside? Or what we thought we would offer is sort of a third alternative, which is that you can actually subcontract that. One of the main reasons you might want to do that is to save money, right? If you, aren't sure that you're going to be able to sell enough Tableau training to justify having somebody full time, then having somebody that you can bring in on a subcontracted basis might be really valuable. Um, it also gives you the opportunity to maintain flexibility and sort of build up slowly as you build that demand. We've been teaching Tableau since 2014, so we have a ton of experience in doing this. We're all certified and accredited with Tableau, both on product certifications as well as training. Our firm here, One Number, there is very small and flexible. There's just a handful of us, so we can usually kind of schedule things on maybe even a couple weeks' notice. Usually, a month or two is plenty of time to plan something out. We've got a lot of experience already delivering subcontracted training for numerous other organizations and continued relationships with them because that's worked well for everybody. We can deliver our own training. We've got some homegrown training on desktop and prep and calculations, or we are signed off to deliver all of Tableau's desktop and prep classes as well. We can even build custom training, and we do that. So we can take their data or build out modules on the topics that they're interested in. You're getting guaranteed expertise. You can check out our YouTube channel. We'll put some links in the description below. We've got over 300 videos, as well as definitive videos on a whole bunch of different topics. You can watch some of those to get a sense for our teaching style. And yeah, we've got more than 300 videos at this point. So one of the really cool things for the students that come to our classes is that, on top of the sessions that we teach throughout the day, we will send them videos that will say, hey, if you want to revisit this, if you want to dig deeper, here are some, free videos that you can dig into to do that. So if any of that sounds interesting, or if you just want to talk about this a little bit further, you're welcome to reach out to me. My email is eric.parker@onenumber.biz. It's there on the screen. I'll put it in the description below, as well as some links to some details around some of our classes that we teach, as well as other information that might be relevant to you. So thank you for the consideration, and we hope to talk to you soon.